Hello, friends. This is Sherry Parrott, and I am a novice diamond painter. In fact, I hadn't even heard of it before the last few months. The image I am showing you is an image that is printed onto the diamond portrait of Jesus that I have. It is a small version, so you'll see what it is that you're trying to create with your diamond kit. Okay, I have completed, let's see, you'll see the ones right here. I save my little packets of diamonds. So I've done 1, I've done 9, and I've done 8, I believe. Maybe one other color. And 0. And the 0 is the black. The 1 was the white. And then the 9 is gray, more of a gray color. And then there was another, the 8 was a different white color. And so what it is that you do is you look at your chart here when you open your packs of diamonds. So your diamonds come in a long sleeve of different colors, and they are numbered. So we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I've done 0, 1, 8, and 9. And then you look at your code, and it shows you that the color is going to match up. So if we look at number 7, that's another version of the white. And here's that package, number 7. And you can see it has sort of a white tint to it. Then what you do is you look for the 7. See the number 7? And you have this tool that is included with, they may be different colors, but the tool is included with your kit. And so you look for that particular number. Then the kit also has a tray. And watch me do this one-handed. I'm a novice, but I can do this one-handed even. And I just cut off a little corner of the packet, and I pour it into the little tray that they enclose. So you've got your tray. Oops, sorry. You got your little tray, and you pour some out. You can pour them all out. You can pour some of them out. It just depends. If you're only going to be working on it for a few minutes, it really doesn't take long to do these, but there's so many of them that it does take a while. Then your packet also includes a little pink square of wax. It's kind of a tacky wax, and I can't find it. And that's going to be a problem if we don't find it. That's going to be a little problem because we must have that wax. But anyway, what you do with the wax is you stick your little, this tool, you'd stick it into the little square of wax. I already have some wax on mine, and so then you can see how it grabs it like that. The wax is kind of contained. And then you go over to your number. So we're looking for number 7, and voila, there it is. Number 7. Whoops, see? And if you get it on the wrong number, you just scoot it up. Now this surface is very, very sticky. It's almost like fly paper. So then see how you do that. You just stick it right on that number 7. Now I've got this zoomed in, so these are really, and you can see how it's coming together. The more of these colors, and you can see how some of those are black and some are gray. And up here, you can see the number 1 is black, And so that means that whenever I was doing the number ones, which were all of these blacks right there, when I put the number ones on, I skipped this whole space right there. So I will have to go back into those ones that I saved. See those black ones? And I'll have to come back at the end to put those on. Not going to be too concerned about it right now. So you can see that I have number 2 left to do, number 4 left to do, number 3, number 6, number 7. And then my diamond painting will be complete. It's not really painting, it's basically step by step, one by one, adhering your, hold on just a second, adhering your little diamonds on there. Okay, 7. I forgot which number I was on. So number 7. Now, mind you, I have never done these before. So, the first time I did it, I didn't know about the wax. So I was just like pouring these on with this tray. I would just pour them on and then try to scoot them around. That's not the way really to do it. You really want to kind of do it one at a time. Doing it this way, where it just lands willy-nilly wherever it may, is not the way to go about it. So you see, you want to just kind of try to get it on your stick. Then there's a little trick to that when you're in the tray. You don't want to pick up the flat ones because your tool is not going to pick up the flat edge. Like that flat part, it wouldn't have picked up because the wax wouldn't have caught it up. I'll show you what I mean. Here you go. So see how when I reach for that flat one, it doesn't pick up. But if I pick up the diamond, it picks it up because it's picking up the sharp edge. And these really are, they are faceted beads. That means they have the points on them just basically like a diamond. That's why it's called diamond painting. And there you have it, a little tutorial of a novice diamond painter. I just started this last Saturday night. And you can see I've worked a little bit on it every day. It's not something that is super quick. Each little tiny diamond is individually put on to the numbered area. It's a little, if you think about it, it's a lot like paint by number. But you're not painting, you're just adhering these diamonds onto the sticky surface. And so hopefully when this is done, it will be a diamond Jesus. My sister Terry got me this as a gift. And I had seen it done and I thought, I had seen advertisements for it. And I thought, no, I don't really think I want to do that. But now that I've done it, I am going to, I did order another one, which is going to be a peacock. And I will at least do 2 in my lifetime. I can say I have done it. And then they also had these little little bags that I think you got like 3 little coin purses, and you could, put the diamonds on it and give them away as gifts. You can look for these on wish.com. And what you do is they say they're free, but you still have to pay the postage for each one. And the postage is like $3 a piece. So overall, for such an entertaining, project, or, that something that's just going to fill your time, and you can do it. My sister and my niece and my other niece, they all just sit around the table and talk and complete their diamond paintings. So hope you enjoyed learning about diamond painting.